In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to display disk space information about all tables in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So let's understand by example. So first I'm going to write at here declare. So at here I'm going to declare one variable or giving the name at here A. Now here or setting the size with the varchar with 1000. Now here after going to set, so going to set at the rate a local variable. So at here in single quote going to write exec underscore exec here after sp underscore space used. Now here bracket and here close by bracket. Now or close by semicolon. Now here after the next is let's write exec and here sp. So here we need to use sp underscore ms. So and here you can find the ms for, so here ms for each table. So this is a ready-made restore procedure. So it will display at here when you select or execute ms for each table. So it will display all the space that used by all the tables. Now here after let's use at here at the rate. So automatically it comes. So when you're using ms for each table here, we need to use command 1. So at here let's write command 1 and here at the rate. So variable is a. So this is the first query. There we can display or disk space information. Now execute this query. So here you can find, so the first table is US 500, total numbers of rows 500, reserved 136, data 105, index size 8, unused 24. Here after it's calculating department. So this is the department. And here information about the disk space, here countries, EMP and tab. So at here this is the first way. So at here you can find the all here. So all table outputs it's a displaying separately. Now I want to display at here, or next I want to display all the tables record like US hereafter first US hereafter department, and here it should be displayed total numbers of rows here 50 90 in one or tabular forms. Okay, so at here we need to write at here create a statement. First I'm going to create one table, create table, and here going to create one table giving the name at here sp tab, sp tab. Now here after let's use open bracket. So add here the first is for name. So add here the name should be displayed says name. Now here after the next is for rows. So add here it should be take big int. So big int is a, now here after rows next I'm going to take add here reserved, and here the size should be varchar and give the size 100. Now here after the next is data. So data and here varchar. Let's keep the size 100 once again, and here after index underscore size, index underscore size, and here data tab going to give varchar and here setting the size with 100. Now here after you can find unused and here varchar and setting the size with 100. So this is the table that I'm going to create the name at a SP tab. Now here the table is created. Now here after the next thing is, so we need to declare once again. So simply we need to copy this one and here paste it down. So declare at the rate. So name should be unique and so giving the name at here uh, A1 and here varchar 1000 it's okay set A1 and here after execute SP and here insert into. So one point we need to include. So this should be insert into the table that I just created. Insert into and here keep the table name underscore has and here I created as SP tab. It's my table name and here we need to give at the rate. Now if you execute this one, so here 7 rows affected. So 7 if you count at here total numbers of tables are 7. So that here it's a displaying 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here after let's check at here. So we need to write select here a star from the table name sp underscore tab sp underscore tab. Now if you execute this query, so see at here total tables are 7 and here it's displaying rows, reserved, data, index and unused space. So this is the second way we can find disk space information of our table. So at here it's a one tabs. Now hereafter you can make that at here name in ascending or descending order. So let's use at here order by. So order by at here applying on name. So it's automatically name. Now if you execute, so see at here, or it's now in order. Now here it's displaying disk space used by the table. Countries unused space it's taken 0. Department 0, but at here deputy unused space 112. So this is the way we can find our disk space used by table in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.